Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hartford City, local and long distance movers near me. The most challenging aspect of long distance migration is ensuring the protection of your possessions. 3 Movers understands that if your valuables are not correctly packed, they may fracture before reaching the truck. Consequently, we use specialists to wrap each item before putting it into the vehicle carefully. Additionally, we recognize that you may make last-minute choices that necessitate a pickup truck. 3 Movers always has trucks ready to fulfill your last-minute requirements. Our vans are always in good condition and ready to go, and we regularly are on time, and we are always prepared to assist with local or long-distance moving relocations. Our seasoned packers and movers will assist you with this monumental undertaking while you concentrate on putting your efforts in order. Like everything else in life, we know that relocation has challenges, but we're prepared to overcome them. We inspect new residences, measure and estimate room sizes, and check the contents and get the most affordable bids and estimations. Our hourly prices range from $30 and $40 an hour, certainly the most reliable in Hartford City. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hartford City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.